I had given up. There was no hope, you know? It was that's the unspiraling, losing myself part of, that's where I was, the bottom, I had hit my rock bottom. Hi, my name is Wanda Thomas, and I'm a participant of Arouet. I lost my mother in 2018. I didn't know how to live without my mother. So it was a adjustment that needed to be, just a hard adjustment that needed to be um, figured out. I had lost myself. Um, I didn't know who I was, so like identity issues and just, um, it was chaos, no sense of direction whatsoever, you know, and just everything negative that you could think of, hard into the addiction, um, no sense of direction. So everything just kind of unspiraled for me, and I didn't have a ground. There was just too many bad things happening at once, you know. So I couldn't get a hold of. I couldn't get a grasp of life. I couldn't get a hold of it, you know. So I just allowed everything to just fall apart. When I ended up on the streets, my court dates is probably what saved me, because and even then, I was like, I'm not gonna go. And then my dad was like, okay, no, like you're going to court. He was like, I will do everything that I can to get you there. Just stick it through. See it through, stick with it, do your time, get it over with. I served 5 years. Yeah, the beginning was rough. Serving 5 years in the Arizona State Prison was rough. I'm wasting time. I need to start fixing me. I need to start finding out who I am, before I get out. Like that was my ultimate goal, was to at least know who I was when I got out. I am a Native American woman. I'm a Navajo woman with a strong family, strong female-oriented upbringing. And I'm strong, I'm courageous, I'm brave, I'm ambitious, um, eager, for in life, and this, I uh, I go about my life now today just thinking about how I want my nieces to see me. My nieces, my nephews, and I do it for them today.